everyone. Thank you all for being here today. It's wonderful to see all of you guys and to hear about the wonderful, exciting research happening here at the CNLM. I'm Winny Ning, and I'm so honored and grateful to receive this award. As I was walking up to the stage, I started thinking about, the moment that sparked my journey into neuroscience. I can vividly remember the time I first did my rat surgery, carefully implanting electrodes in the brain. And anytime the animal moved, I could see and hear neurons in the brain firing in real time. It was electrifying, literally and figuratively. But in that moment, I realized something as abstract and elusive as our thoughts and memories could actually be studied and measured. Now, as a fifth-year PhD graduate student in Bruce McNaughton's lab, I study how our brains learn and remember. How do we remember where we are, like sitting at the Cove today, versus the contents of what happened, such as these amazing talks happening tonight? How do our brains achieve this? To study some of these mechanisms in the lab, we use mice as an animal model, and we're able to train them to run in virtual reality environments. So we're able to manipulate what these mice can see and what they can touch. And while they're running in virtual reality, we're able to insert electrodes into the hippocampus and neocortex. These are regions crucial for learning and memory. And we can listen into the conversations between different neurons and see how they communicate with one another. And when we do that, what we find is that there are specialized cells in the brain that respond to particular places, like the Cove. There are other cells that might respond to features like different textures, like the tablecloth, or objects like the chair. And so with that, your brain is able to create a cognitive map of experience. It's like a Google Maps, your brain's built-in GPS system. Understanding how your brain organizes all these different kinds of information is important because it provides a neural mechanism of how we form memories. Memories that we cherish and reminisce upon, but also memories that we might lose with age or in Alzheimer's disease. If we can map this memory system, maybe we can help fix it when it breaks one day. Thank you so much to Dr. Renée Harwick for making this award possible, and special thanks to Manuela and Mike for creating such a wonderful community here at the CNLM, and I'm so lucky to be a part of all of this. And to my lab, the McNaughton lab, for all their support. Thank you, and I hope this memory stays with you.